On it. So inside the box are the manual, we have warranty card, we have the pouch with IFI logo, and that's it for this portion. On the other portion, we have the cables, different cables. This one is type C going to lightning cable for iPhone, iPad touch. This one is type C to type C, and this one is USB A to type C. So the build quality of the cable is good, and then I think there is a mark here which one is the in and which one is the out. I don't know if this one is vice versa, but some of the cable has a marking like this one, like the DD Hi-Fi. The DD Hi-Fi has a marking, that one, that arrow is going to the amp, and this one is going to the player. So arrow, when you put into the player, then yun yung marking niya, going in and then going out. So but this one wala siyang marking, so I don't know which one is facing where. Okay, let's close this one, and this is the unit. So there's a plastic. Let's peel the plastic. There. Wow, it's too shiny. And then in front there is a 3.5, 3.5, 4.4, the on and off combination knob with the volume control, X base and X base plus, yung kanilang karaniwang nakalagay sa mga Zencan signature. And then this one is for selecting the input Bluetooth, uh, Bluetooth tsaka sa I forget Bluetooth single-ended. These are the input, single-ended, balance. I forgot this one. What is this one? Number 16. SPDIF, coaxial optical SPDIF. This one is for the USB connection. This one is for charging. This one I don't know is this number 12 X bus mode adjustment. I don't have an idea for this particular switch. So okay, that's all, and thank you for watching. Bye.